children, here I am again with our another session of Maths online class, and today is our 16th session. So in last session I had explained all plane shapes, then types of lines, and I had explained two solid shapes, cube and cuboid. Okay, now let us continue with third shape. The third shape is cylinder. Okay, third shape is cylinder. First of all, let me draw the shape of cylinder. So this is the shape of cylinder. This is the cylindrical shape. Okay. Now see here. What are the examples of cylindrical shape? Okay. See. Bottle. Bottle is the example of cylindrical shape. See here. In this shape, these two faces are flat. Okay, these two faces are flat and this is the curved face. Okay, this portion is of curved face. Okay, it has curved face. Now see here, another example is this battery cell. Okay, now in this object, see here, these two faces are flat. Okay, these two faces are flat, top and bottom. Clear? And see this portion, it has a curved face. See, this object has a curved face. Clear? So this is a flat face and this bottom has also a flat face. So total how many faces are there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Total how many faces are there? There are 3 faces in cylindrical shape. Okay. 2 flat and 1 curved. Clear? Now let us see about this edges. Okay. These are the edges. First and second at the top and at the bottom. Now see in this object, see here, this is the edge. Okay, first and second edge. Okay, first and second edge, 2 edges are there at the top and at the bottom. Okay, and they are curved. So these are curved edges. Okay. Clear? So, how many faces a cylinder shape has? It has 3 faces, 2 flat and 1 curved. And how many edges are there? There are 2 edges. Okay, this first one, this is the first edge and this is the second. So, how many edges are there? 2 edges and both are curved. Okay, so a cylindrical shape has 2 edges. Okay, a cylindrical shape has 2 edges. Clear? Now, how many corners are there? How many corners are there? Can you see any corner in the shape? No. Okay, so cylindrical shape has no corners. Okay, cylindrical shape has no corner. Clear? This is round in shape. Okay, this is curved and it has no edge. Clear? And see in this object also, see this is also a cylindrical object. Okay, see here, it has a curved face. Okay, flat, 2 flat faces and there is no corner. See this 2 edges, they are round, they are curved. Okay, in shape. So there are no corners in cylindrical shape. Okay, I hope the shape is clear to you. So it has 3 faces, 2 edges and no corners. These 2 edges are curved in shape. Clear? It has 2 curved edges. It has 2 curved edges, 3 faces. Okay, among these 3 faces, 2 are flat and 1 is curved. Okay. Now our next shape is sphere. Okay, our next shape is sphere. Okay children, try to draw these shapes. Okay, you have seen how I have drawn in the beginning. Okay, so just see, watch the video and try to draw these shapes. Okay, so here is the 4th solid shape, sphere. Okay, what is this? This is not a circle, it is a sphere. Okay, this is the shape of sphere. When we draw it, it seems like circle. Okay, now see the examples of sphere. The objects, okay, the objects which have a circular face. Okay, see this bulb. Okay, it looks like ball. Okay, see here, this ball. This is the shape of sphere. Okay, this is the shape of sphere. It has a circular face. Okay, it has a curved face, it has a circular face. Okay, it has no edges and so it has no corners. Okay, it has only one face. It has only one face and it is curved. Okay, it has only one face and it is curved. Clear? This is the shape of sphere. Okay, the examples of sphere are any type of ball. Okay, football, basketball, whatever, any type of ball, circular things. Okay, which has curved face, only one curved face. For example, some fruits like orange, apple. Okay, all these are the examples of sphere. Okay, so a sphere has one face. Okay, a sphere has one face. It is curved. Okay, and it is curved in nature. Okay, now see here, one face which is curved. It has no edges and no corners. Okay, a sphere has only one face and it is curved. A sphere has one curved face. It has no edges and no corners. And what are the examples of sphere? Ball. Okay, some fruits like orange, apple, pomegranate. Okay, and globe, the model of earth. See here, it is given in your book also. Okay, football, orange, globe. Okay, these are the examples of sphere. Okay, so our next shape is cone. Okay, fifth solid shape is cone. Okay, so let me draw the shape first. Shape of cone. Okay, so this is the shape of cone. Okay, let us see how many faces, edges and corners are there in this shape. Okay, so here at the top, this is the corner. Okay, This is the corner. Okay, and this is curved edge. Okay, this portion, this line is a curved edge. Okay, curved edge, and this is a circular face, a curved face. Okay, a curved face, and this portion is face which is flat. Okay, one flat face. Okay, so how many parts are there? 4. One corner, then curved face. Okay, then curved edge. This is the curved edge, and then this is the flat face. Okay, now see how many corners are there? One corner. How many faces are there? How many faces are there? One curved and one flat. Okay, one curved and one flat. So how many faces were there? Are there 2 faces? Okay, one curved and one flat. And how many edges are there? One curved edge. Okay, one edge. Clear? So examples of a cone is a birthday cap. Okay, birthday cap, a funnel, or ice cream cone. Okay, now here I have 2 objects. See here, so this object, it has one curved face. Okay, this is the top. Okay, we can say it is a corner. It has one flat face, and say this is the edge. Clear? So this funnel, here it has one curved face. Okay, curved edge. This is flat face, and this is the top. Okay, one corner you can say. Clear? So a cone has 2 faces, one corner, one edge, and one flat face. Okay, clear? Now we will revise all the shapes one more time. Okay, let us see one more time how many faces, corners and edges are there in all these 5 solid shapes. Okay. Okay children, so let us see here. I have drawn all shapes together, and now let us see how many faces, edges and corners are there in each shapes. Okay, now first of all, what is face? The surface of the solid shape. Okay, surface of the shape is the face. Okay, now face may be a curved or it may be flat. Okay, then edges of, what are edges? See, these are the edges. This is the edge of cylindrical shape, and this is the edge of cube shape. Okay, clear? So edges also can be straight or curved. Okay, now corners. Okay, how many corners each shapes have? Okay, here these are the corner. In cube and cuboid, where 3 edges meet, it forms the corner. Okay, so let us start. First of all, from cube. Okay, now how many faces cube has? Okay, we have seen that a cube has 6 faces. Okay, how many faces are there? 6 faces. Clear? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, there are 6 faces. Now how many edges are there? see in this picture, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there are 12 edges in cube. Okay. Now how many corners are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many corners are there? 8. Okay. So cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 corners. Now cuboid. Okay. Again now see here in cuboid also we have already seen that it has 6 faces. Okay. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in front and 6 at the back. Okay. So there are 6 faces. Now see these edges. How many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay. And how many corners? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. So what can we see here? Both cube and cuboid have same number of faces, edges and corners. Okay. They both have same number of faces, edges and corners. Now what is the difference between cube and cuboid? In cube all these edges are of equal length. Okay. These edges are of equal length. Okay. Now in cuboid these opposite edges, okay, opposite sides are of equal length. Okay. Here in cuboid this opposite, see these two long sides are equal and these two short sides are equal. Okay. Likewise rectangle, in rectangle also what happens? Two opposite sides are equal. In the same way in cuboid also opposite sides are equal. Okay. Now cylindrical shape. Cylindrical shape, how many faces are there? 1 and 2 flat faces and this is 1 curved face. Okay. So total how many faces are there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Cylindrical shape has 3 faces. Then how many edges are there? 1 and 2. Okay. Cylindrical shape has 2 edges and both are curved. Okay. Cylinder has 2 curved edges. Okay. Now there is no corner in cylinder. Okay. Cylindrical shape has no corners. So we write 0. Okay. Now sphere. How many faces does sphere has? It has only one curved face. It has only one curved face. It has no edges and no corners. Okay. Sphere has only one curved face and no edges and no corners. Now shape of cone. How many faces it has? This one curved and one flat. So total 2 faces. Okay. A cone has 2 faces. Now how many corners? 1. And how many edges? 1 curved edge. Okay. 1 curved edge. Clear? Got it all of you? I hope now the spaces, edges and corners, okay, about solid shapes are clear to you all. Let us see examples of each shape. Okay. Examples of cube are dice, ice cube, Rubik's cube. Okay. Then examples of cuboid, your pencil box, eraser. Okay. then your lunch box. Okay, it is also of cuboid shape. Clear? Matchbox. Clear? Then book. We can also give a book as an example of cuboid shape. Okay. Then cylinder. Examples of cylinder are, I have shown you battery cells. Okay. Or any can, gas cylinder, bottle. Okay. And example of sphere, ball, globe, or fruits like orange. Okay. And which has curved face. Okay, which looks like ball. Okay. Then examples of cone are birthday cap. Okay, ice cream cone, funnel, as I have shown you. Okay, so these are the examples of all these solid shapes. Yeah. So what are the solid shapes? How many solid shapes we have learned? Cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, and cone. Okay, and try to draw all these shapes in your copy and learn all these names also. Okay, learn the spellings of all these shapes. Okay. Okay children, now we know that solid shapes may have a flat face or a curved face. Okay, so solid shapes with flat face, flat surface, slide down in a slope. Okay, and solid shapes with curved face. Okay, solid shapes with curved face, it rolls down in a slope. Now let me show you how. See here, suppose this is a slope. Okay, this is a slope. Okay, now see, this is the example of cube. Okay, so it has flat face. Now see, in this slope it will slide. Okay, it will slide. Okay, now see here, this is the matchbox. It has flat face, surface. Okay, now see here, it will slide. Okay, it is sliding on a slope. Okay, but solid shapes with curved face, okay, with curved surface will roll down. Okay, it is rolling down. It is not sliding, it is rolling down. See here, cylindrical shape, it has this curved surface. It is rolling down. Okay. So children, we have completed all of the topics of this chapter. Okay. So let us revise what you have studied in this chapter. First of all, we have seen that there are two types of shapes: plane shapes and solid shapes. Okay. In plane shapes, the shapes are square, rectangle, triangle, circle, oval, and diamond. We have seen how many sides and corners are there in these shapes. We have learned all of their properties. Okay. Then next topic was point. What is point? How to draw line? How we represent line? Okay. Then there are two types of lines: straight line and curved line. Okay. Then again, straight line are of three types: horizontal line, vertical lines, and slanting lines. Okay. Then after that, we have learned solid shapes. There are 5 solid shapes we have learned about. That is cube, cuboid, sphere, cylinder, and cone. Okay, we have seen how many faces, edges, and corners are there in this shapes. We have seen the examples also of these shapes. Okay, so learn all of these shapes properties. Okay, just go through your book also, see some examples are there given in the book. I have also shown some examples to you, and you also try to find out the examples of solid objects around you. Okay, and try to draw all these shapes. Clear? And complete till now. Those who have not completed your work, complete it. Okay, because afterwards you have to do summer assignment also, and I will be giving some notes, some points of this chapter afterwards. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you.